We're back here, 145 pounds, breaking down the AAA bracket, taking a look at the top half there. We've got Michael Kemmerer from Franklin Regional. He's already been to the top of the podium, helping Franklin Regional win a state team title earlier in this postseason. He's a three-time runner-up, Jeremy, 106, 126, and 138. You've gotten that close for 3 years. I can't imagine how hungry this kid is to get into the to state final. He has a potential interesting quarterfinal against Hayden Hidley from Mifflin County, but I think Kemmerer is on a mission right now, and I like him getting out to the final. What do you think? Can he trip up, or do you like Kemmerer to get out there to the final?
I'll tell you what, we're going to have a story on Michael Kemmerer coming up on Penn Live leading into the tournament. Talked to Michael for about 8 minutes in an interview. Super kid. No pressure on him. He feels no pressure. You can tell he's very loose. I like Michael Kemmerer to get past Hidley. What a quarterfinal that is. That's #1 and #3 in the state. It's a shame they have to meet there. Then I have Kemmerer beating our own Jonathan Ross out of Northern York, and Kemmerer getting to the finals in the bottom half. This is the one we're waiting for. Right there at the bottom, Mr. Mountner is scrolling down. We have Cumberland Valley's Patrick Dugan. Let's just jump to the chase here. I have Patrick Dugan getting out to the finals, beating Jared Verclaren, who I think is going to be his main competition down there in the quarters. Again, quarters, we've said it a lot. Dugan gets out to the finals. Dugan's kind of the mirror image of Kemmerer. He's finished 4th, 2nd, 3rd. Always close, just hasn't gotten over the hump yet. Boy, what a final that'll be. I'm going to lean towards Michael Kemmerer to get it done and close his career before he goes to Iowa, win the state title. Johnny, who do you got between Kemmerer? I'm assuming you're taking Dugan to get out to the finals.
Well, you've kind of boxed me into a corner there. I guess if you take Kemmerer, well, I got to take Patrick Dugan. You're boxing me into the corner, making me look like the homer, but I think it's going to be a great matchup.
It's going to be a great match. It's not a bad pick. Anyone, you're talking about 1A. 1 and 1A there. So
you've got Kemmerer, I've got Dugan. We'll see how it turns out.
That one's a steak dinner.
You got it.